I'm having to do this over. I didn't get the pictures in frame. Bad me. This is from Daydream. This, as you know, I am a tester of hers. However, I'm not testing anything. This was a gift from her. Okay. So here's the first ones. It is in store. It is absolutely beautiful. Let me see. It comes in rounds. The 50 by 70 is 35. 40 by 55 is 28. Reason why she is so reasonably priced, folks. She does her own printing of diamond paintings. She's got the equipment. Don't ask me how she do it. That's a secret. She won't even tell me. And she does it herself. This is 28 colors. Oh, very nice. Look at this. The glue is great. It is great. And you know, she has excellent customer service. I had a painting from her. I put it on my channel. It was glue was kind of weak. Told her, she sent me a new one. She worked on the glue, and it's now improved. So that's when she asked me to be a tester. Look at this, folks. Isn't that beautiful? Let me get back so you can see it all. Okay. Oh, which drawer goes to which? See, 890, 400. Not this one. 333. Okay, and here's the drills to this one. You know how I know? I looked at the number here to coincide it here. This is lint canvas. Yeah, plus see, if you store your drills separately, look at this. It has the canvas number here that you can match with the painting. This is in the store. There are no ABs in this. Okay, here is the second one. Hold on, people. This one also comes in two sizes. Does this one come in two sizes? Yeah, 50 by 70 and 40 by 60. The 40 by 60 is $28. The bigger one, 50 by 70, is $35. I do have a code for you. Now, you can go, don't use Nick's code, use mine. It's Dreamer15. For 40 or more, I believe, you get not 10, like Nick's code, but you get 15% off. That's why I tell you to use my code. And the code is Dreamer15. Again, I repeat, Dreamer15. Let's see how the glue is good. Fantastic. It is very clear. Symbols. Get in focus, camera. Now we have another one. Hold on, let me get it. Okay, here's another one. If you like crystals, This is a place to go. I don't like partials that are crystal. Sorry, I don't, unless they're Mandelas. This is full crystal of 30 colors. Here are the drills. And has the glue. Look at this, folks. Look. It's glue. But let's get a better picture. I'm holding the camera, so forgive me. That love was down here. How are the drills filled? Focus. Very clear. The glue is fine. And here is... Oh, you know what? I will just take this off. Very nice. And it's going to stay glued to me. You have a schematic on this side and that side. And, of course, they all come with... These ones came with basic toolkit. The wolf one that I showed on my channel is a little bit more elaborate. And it did come... These were just gifts. These are not test kits. These were gifts from Daydream. A friend of mine who's very leery of putting her card and everything online saw the painting of the wolf. She wanted it. So she gave me the money and I ordered it. I'm not unboxing it because that is hers. She does not have a channel, but I don't feel comfortable opening it, especially since I had it on my channel already. So that is it. Happy diamond painting. I'll catch you later.